ability, a fundamental understanding of Archimedes' principle and how it is applied to a floating body is required. The volume of water displaced by a ship can be calculated by determining the water volume of the ship, knowing its draft and underwater shape, and then converting this volume into weight of water displaced by multiplying by the density of the water. Alternatively, the weight of the ship can be calculated knowing the weight of the ship's structure, cargo, bunkers, stores, and anything else on board. These two quantities should be the same and are known as the ship's displacement.